Space. Related to shape in form space, it is usually inferred from a sense of depth whether it is real or simulated. Ang space po ay isa pong shapes kung saan usually ginagamit sa mga totoong buhay. Halimbawa po ay sayaw. Halimbawa sa pagsasayaw, ginagamit po yung space natin para makasayaw tayo ng ayos. Makapagsayaw tayo ng ayos at maayos po yung ating sayaw. Yung po, para sa akin, ang space po ay napaka-importante po sa pagsasayaw nila po. Color harms one of the elements that enhance the appeal of an artwork. Its effect has range, allowing the viewer to make responses based on memory, emotion, and instinct, among others. This elements the property of light as it reflected of the reflected of the object. May iba't ibang color po, red, yellow, violet, blue, and blue, green, yellow, ganun. Tapos at sabi po ni Isaac Newton, a ray of sunlight passing through a frame reveals an array of color akin to that of the rainbow. The color wind corresponds to the first property of color. This dimension of color gives it name. It could be subdivided into primary color. Ang primary color ay red, yellow, and blue. Tapos second color naman ay green, orange, and violet. Tapos ang tertiary color naman ay ang century color naman ay 6 in total. Those shows are achieved when primary and secondary color are mixed. B. Value. This refers to the brightness or darkness of color. Often this is used by artists to create the illusion of depth and solidity or particular mood, communication, a feeling, or in establish a scene day and night. Ang pagkakanyandi ko po sa binasa ko pong ito ay this refers to the brightness or darkness or color of the used by artists. Kahit daw malinaw o malabo, mas gamit pa rin doon natin yun kasi ang kulay po ay may ibang katangian. Halimbawa, ibang katangian at importansya po sa paggamit ng isang pagkukulay. Tapos, sabi dito, ang light colors thinking as the source of light in the compositions. Yun po ang sabi sa light color. A light color po daw ay thinking as the source of light in the compositions. Dark colors, the lack or even absence of light. Sabi daw, ang light colors po daw. Ganun. Sabi po, ang tint po daw ay mas makulay pa daw sa normal na kulay at may value po daw to. Yun ang magkakanyinti ko sa 10. Tapos sa shades naman, this is the darker color than the normal value. Sabi daw ay shape po daw ay mas darker po daw sa normal na kulay. Ay, mas darker po daw siya sa normal kulay at
Wala. Hindi.
normal siya sa value. Intensity, this is the color, brightness or dullness. It is identified as the strength of color, whether it is vivid or muted to achieve a specific intensity of a color, one of many, and either gray or it complementary color. Okay, tapos is the color, brightness of this. Ito ba of the color, either it is vivid or muted to achieve a specific intensity of color of the texture. Like space, texture can be either real or implied. These elements in an artwork it experienced through the sense of touch and sight. Ang darker po daw ay texture po daw ito yung base ko sa pagkakaintindi ko. Ang texture po daw ay texture po ay parang isang space po na space na makatotohanan na ina-apply po natin dito sa ating mundo. Halimbawa po ay pag-isip natin ng gagawin nating activities na halimbawa magsusulat tayo ng letter or ano man gusto natin isulat, matawag po natin siyang texture kasi makatotohanan po. Yun po magkakaintindi ko po sa textures. Tapos rhythm po. Sunset po yung rhythm. Base po dito sa binabasa. Ito pong binabasa ko po ay PPT po. Tapos sila-explain ko lang po siya. Rhythm often associated to the terms beat, meter, and tempo. Rhythm, it is the elements of music that situates it in time. It is the pulse of the music. Beat is the basic unit of music, while tempo refers to its speed. Beat, second, beats can be organized into a recognized recurrent pattern, which is called the meter. Ang rhythm po daw ay isang element musical daw na sinasabi natin sa isang beat habang nasaya o tempo ay parang speed na nabagal na bilis. Halimbawa sayaw uli. Diba ang naman sa sayaw naman, di naman puro bilis o di naman puro mabagal. May mabilis, may mabagal. Rhythm po tawag doon. At ang bawat sayaw naman po ay may mga pattern po at rhythm, kasi kung wala kang rhythm sa pagsayaw, di ka mabagal ka o mabilis ka pag wala kang rhythm. Yung rhythm. Dynamics element of music that refers to the loudness or quietness of music. Dynamics classified terms are used to refer to different level pertaining to this. Ito po mga example niya. Balance. Balance is this principle refers to the distribution of the visual element in view of their placement relation of each other. Balance. Yung tatlong form po doon ng isang balance. Symmetrical, asymmetrical, radial. Yun lang po ang report. Ang ganda lang po kayong report ngayon. Sorry po kung hindi ko po masyado na-explain ng ayos. Ma'am, sorry. Thank you po.